Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at a couple Magic the Gathering booster packs. These are from Dragon's Maze. 15 card booster packs. I found these in a box. I don't know where they came from, but we're going to open them up, see what's inside. So let's start with this one. As usual, these are from Wizards of the Coast. These came out in 2013. One thing you'll note on these is there's a slight transparency to these, so you can kind of see the card that's inside. So if you're looking to cheat, you might be able to get kind of an idea of what your first card's going to be. Because this packaging is really thin and really cheap. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. First we have an advertisement for what looks like a comic book from IDW and something else. So let's get that out of my way because that's annoying. Alright, then our regular cards. First card is Golgari Guildgate. Land Gate. Golgari Guildgate enters the battlefield tapped. Tap, add black or green to your mana pool. That's kind of handy. Next we have Tajik Blade of the Legion. I think this is a rare. Legendary creature, human soldier. Tajik, Blade of the Legion is indestructible. Battalion, whenever Tajik and at least 2 other creatures attack, Tajik gets +5/+5 until the end of the turn. Wow. Alright. Rot Farm Skeleton. Then we've got a Blaze Commando. A Bronzebeak Moa. Silenzia Cluestone. Oh, that's an artifact. Tap to add black or white to your mana pool. Black, white, tap, sacrifice, Silenzia Cluestone, draw a card. Maze Glider, creature, elemental. Sinister Possession, enhancement, aura. White Maze Sentinel, creature, elemental, 3/6. Morgue Blast, sorcery. That's an expensive one. For black and red, wow. Golgari Cluestone, artifact. It's the same one, different picture. Let's see. Just had that, didn't I? Oh, that was a Silenzia Cluestone. Okay. My bad, I'm illiterate. Same general principle though. Next we have a Sunspire Gatekeepers. That's a white, obviously. Then we have a Mutant's Prey, green, instant. Mind Static, blue, instant. And lastly we have a Viashino First Blade, creature, soldier. It's got haste. Alright, let's look at our other pack here. Get these out of the way. Alright, first up we've got a different ad. And, oh, it's a spirit token on the other side. That's kind of cool. So, first up we've got Azorius Guildgate, land. Tap to add white or blue to your mana pool. Then we've got a Sky Slasher, creature, insect. This is our rare flash. Sky Slasher can't be countered, reach protection from blue. War Leader Helix, instant. Restore the Peace, instant. Oh, Alive and Well. It's one of those split cards. So it's green and white. Sorcery. The green one says put a 3/3 green centaur creature token on the battlefield. And well is sorcery. You gain 2 life for each creature you control. So that's kind of neat. Another Silenzia Cluestone. Maze Abomination. Creature Elemental. That's a 4/5. Battering Crassus. Creature Fish Beast. Has Trample. Rakdos Cluestone. Artifact. This one will give you a black or red to your mana pool. Pilfered Plans. Sorcery. Target puts the 2 top cards of his or her library into his or her graveyard. Draw 2 cards. Hazada Snare Squad. Creature. Human soldiers. Fyoto Burst. Sorcery. Or Zahov Cluestone. Artifact. Tap to add white or black to your mana pool. Bane Alley Blackguard. Human Rogue. Just a 1/3. Nothing fancy. Maze Rusher. Creature Elemental. Haste. Multicolored creatures you control have haste. A 6/3. Alright, so not a bad draw, really. But that is 2 packs of Magic the Gathering from Dragon Maze. I don't like the packaging. It looks lazy and cheap, but I haven't played in a while, so I don't know how good these cards are, but that is general idea of what you might get out of some of these packs. We only had 1 duplicate, so that's good. But that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.